I just went to the Walmart and probably spent way too much money. Let's just jump on in. The first thing first, and everything is under $20. Most of it's under 10. I'm just so shocked. Okay, I found this, which this literally looks just like Free People. We got a whisper, but I got a large, so it's like oversized. Y'all, how cute is that? And this is only $19.98, and it's up on my like to know it. Got this in a medium, still oversized. Just kind of looks like it ran big. I mean, if that's not pumpkin spice in a top, I don't know what is. And this one was $13. Like some spank lookalikes. We got some faux leveling. We didn't just get one, we got two. We had to get the chocolate. Okay, do you see that? Chocolate brown and the black. I shared these 2 years ago from Walmart and they went absolutely mega viral. I sold thousands of pairs and like I had to hunt, like go to 3 or 4 Walmarts to find these. But y'all, my Walmart is flooded with them right now. So go get them before the season because these are still, I got a small, they're only $14. And I did like a side-by-side with the spank ones and they're like so much alike. They've got the band, they've got so much resistance. Their pants, they're like the faux leather, and I got them in chocolate this time too. I did a small because I want them to suck it all in, right? We want it all up. The cargo, the viral cargo camo. So freaking cute with a like boot cut bottom. $16. You can't get that pricing on Amazon. Like Walmart is my new place. Okay, and it keeps going. These were in the men's section. There was 8 colors and I couldn't decide which one. These were $11. Oh, this is a medium. You can wear it over even like a sweatshirt. I got it oversized, okay? Men's medium. I mean, we have to go back and buy all 8 colors. I mean, this is just too good. Let's take the price tag off. I'm keeping this super soft medium. I'm not a 38 to 40, but that's what it says. Okay, we're gonna leave it on. Okay, Wrangler at Walmart. Literally, I think this is $8. It is Wrangler, and it's a pocket tee. Y'all, Carhartt's in, but where are my Wrangler girls? We're gonna be Wrangler pocket tees. It even says it. Okay, it comes in like navy, white, some neon colors, black. How cute would this be with like some checkered bands and shorts with like this? I mean, this was like $45 on Amazon. I got this for $9.99 a piece. Okay, boot cut sweatpants. That shirt. This came in purple, pretty teal, gray, black, brown, pink. Literally, linked on my next to it, y'all. You can't even get this on Amazon for this cheap. $9 a piece.